So you might be in a situation where your lock screen on your iPhone, your date and your time, the colors are just a little weird, they're dim, or they're just really hard to see. Now, this can happen for a couple of different reasons. Number one, the first thing you're going to want to do is you want to go ahead and hold down on your lock screen. Now, when you do that, it's probably going to ask you to unlock your iPhone. So hold down on your lock screen and get into this page. At the bottom, you want to click on the Customize button. That's right there. And then you're going to be able to go through and customize your particular, settings of how your widgets look. What we want to do is tap on our date and our time. And all we want to do is just make sure that our particular date and our time that we have configured is properly configured to the color that we basically want. So starting off with the bottom, you want to make sure that the color that you choose right here is actually a good color that's not going to be too close to the background. So start off by changing that out. Now, on top of that, you have a lot of different ways of kind of customizing the font style. Sometimes the iPhone itself might just try to configure it to your wallpaper and try to match your wallpaper, but you have full control over this. So you can go through and kind of change whatever you want to do here. You can change things out whichever way you want to. And then you can also go through and change these colors. So find the color that works out the best for you. Again, I would recommend choosing kind of a darker color depending on your layout. And then at that point, you should be good to go. Again, you can change out the style, change out how bold it is. And now if you go and let it go like this is kind of much easier to read than what it was before. So that's just an idea that you can basically have. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.